Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Aspen here, and as you can tell by the title, or as you can tell by the thumbnail, you already know what's poppin'. Today I am back with another video, and I am back with a hair tutorial, which I don't think I ever done a hair tutorial. I only do like hair reviews, unboxings, things like that. I don't think I've ever done a tutorial on my channel, so thumbs up already, guys. Like, pause the video, scroll down, and thumbs up for the tutorial because yes, is this hair not freaking fire? Like, or not? Or is it just me? Because I am like feeling myself. So I'm not telling you guys what hair this is because I am filming a review on this hair right now. So hit the link below if you guys want to know what hair it is. Is it virgin? Is it not? Is it human? Is it synthetic? I mean, can you tell? You really can't. So go watch that video. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So this is my braid pattern. I just have my hair up in a top knot, and the back I just have it in like 3 chunky braids, and then I just have them sewn in so the braids are not hanging. And I'm just gonna use a black stocking cap. Alright, so these are the bundles I'm using. I have a 22, 220s, and an 18. But the back part I'm just going to speed through because, I mean, you guys already know how this goes. I'm cutting my tracks. I'm not folding them. And I'm just using the regular glue with the red top. And then I'm going to hairspray and blow dry each track. And yeah, let's jump into this. 1 pack in. So I have to squeeze the second pack into about this much. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Like I said, this is really self-explanatory, so I'm really not showing this part. The most important part I'm going to show is how, because I didn't leave any leave out. I'm not leaving any leave out. So that's the most important part, how I'm going to cover the tracks and how I do my ponytail. This back part, I mean, it's literally a gazillion videos on YouTube on how to do a quick weave. So this is all I do. The glue is laid on the track. Then I take my hairspray. Then I take the blow dryer. And I just let the glue get a little tacky. So you guys know when the glue gets tacky, it turns like a dark black instead of that gray color. And then I'm just going to apply it right on top of the tracks. Oops, I'm laying my tracks pretty close together, and I don't have a mirror, so I'm just basically filling right now. And I'm just laying it right on top of the other track. Go through with my blow dryer again and just press it in. That's all I've been doing, guys. So I have 1 more pack of hair, and then I'm gonna come through when I'm about to cut the cap off and lay my very last track. I'm looking down because I have a mirror right here. Okay guys, so to cover the track, I'm just gonna lay the track upside down. And this is what I mean. I'm just gonna place it touching the last track I laid, but it's gonna be upside down. So that when it flips down, nothing will be showing. But I'm not gonna press it down that way just yet. I want it to really set in place and dry, and then I'll tie it down and flatten it. Okay guys, now on to the fun part. So I dyed my hair last night to match the bundles because my hair is like brown, and I think it's matching pretty darn close. And I also am relaxed right now, so it's really not a struggle at all to get this ponytail slick And I'm just using olive oil edge control. And I might use a little bit of Got2b glue just for the simple fact that I want this style to last. Well, the entire style I want it to last for like 2 weeks, but I'll probably redo the ponytail in a couple days. So even for a couple days, I need this to be like really, really sleek. And I'm gonna do my baby hair after. This big ass brush. Okay. I think this is good. Okay, so I need my bun to be super duper 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 tiny. So I'm just gonna twist this up as small as you can get it. If you have long hair, I would say like really long hair to where you can't get it that small, braid it and then twist it up in the bun. And I'm gonna just put some hairspray. And then I'm gonna just do my baby hairs real quick and then tie it down. And then I'm gonna add the tracks on the top. And I'm gonna be doing like crazy baby hairs with a million designs. Like, anybody got time for that? No shade, because I love a good baby hair. Like, I like other people, but mine, I don't be doing all that. I just take my natural edges. I ain't even gonna say baby hairs. My natural edges, how they want to lay, which is like right here. These are the natural ones that naturally just kind of come out. I'm not pulling no extra hair out for some baby hairs. Okay. And I'm gonna tie this down. I might end up changing my baby hairs because I'm feeling like it's too much. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to take my last 2 bundles and wrap it around. I'm not gluing all of it because, like I said, if you want this style to last, if you don't plan on redoing your ponytail and you want it to last the whole 2 weeks, then I would apply glue along the whole track. But like I said, I'm gonna be taking it down in a couple days, so I'm only gonna apply glue at the beginning of the track to get it to hold, probably a little piece in the middle, and then at the end to seal it. Okay. gonna start wrapping. Okay, so it's glue on this part. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep wrapping and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay guys, I am finally done. I felt like that took forever. I have the biggest headache. So I am finished with the look. All I did was cut a couple layers to add some definition, and I just took a piece of hair and just wrapped it around the ponytail, and that's literally it. I'm about to do a review on this hair right now, because I've actually wore this hair before but in a wig style, and this is just the bundle series. So head on over to that video. That's why I did not mention what hair it is, because I want you guys to go watch that video. It will be linked down below. It should be up a day after this one. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my IG. I'll have it somewhere on the screen because I post pictures all the time, and I'll have all the deets to this hair. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.